Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Family member Musamsele expose Umusamsele ngekuthwala and having a snake laphana kwaflu kesana. It seems like things are really going south for Umusamsele kulamalanga. So Umusamsele was the one lokayobhala alapha ku Instagram abhala lokulandzelako lento okufundzela kona. So that person was basically replying to what Umusamsele said on Instagram. Waphindze-ke wadelete awuthi Umusamsele makabhala wathi I spent over 490k of my own money buying a property at Umkomazi for Unumpendulo. She also asked the property to be finished. I asked Umakumalo to work on that using our family money. When first her failed marriage, she wanted furniture. We organized that. On her second failed marriage, we used our own money to sponsor it. When I bought the cars for my wives, I guess she wanted a car as well. Unfortunately, we couldn't get one for her, but we bought for my estranged brother a bike using our family money kesana. But expose ke laphana ako WhatsApp babhala ngalendlela. But you mean the very same family that gave you life when you had nothing? You mean the very same family that caught ukhela umuthi ebhokisini lazipho? Ngabe ukhuluma ngaleza ngoma owafika naso emaxhiweni obaba mkhulu Musa? Ngabe ukhuluma ngale same family wena njalo wawuhlabet every Thursday makuzoba nemicimbi womndeni? Ngabe ithina esasihlala nenyoka emzini kaGokflow hebana Musa? Ngabe ithina esethatha inhlabathi emathuneni makushoniwe? Uyogcina ngokubakhohlisa abakwa TV nja. The gloves are off, you piece of shit. Wena nja owakwantini not Mseleku Mseleku owenziwa lamanyala owenzayo. Guys, sekavela ntigaxaxa ukuthi wakantini akasiwa kaMseleku. So bamtshele takabhoxo ke Umusamsele lapha ku WhatsApp bathi uyaqhela wenda imicimbi ahlabe emakutoba nemisebenzi every Thursday makafika emathuneni uthatha umhlabathi uhlala nenyoka lapha endlini yaFlow. Phindze-ke lo muntu wathi if kuya ngokwami Musa, ngabe ngithi nje let's invite the media and give our family a chance to tell the whole world who you really are. I've seen with my own eyes Musa esigodlweni sagogo Flow. You just took it too far. Hey bana. Hey tiyaphuma tigaxaxa ukuthi uthwele muthi Musa nenyoka lehlala lapha endlini yaFlow. Lapha endlini yaFlow sakuthi ngilapha emsamo guys laba phahla khona sinokuyibona nje endlini yaFlow of asibukela uthando nesithembu. So kuthiwa ubaba uMusamseleko nyoka uthwele and kuthiwa nje tigaxa takhe bangathi khipha one by one utokhohlisa thina TV, but bona bayamati ukuthi luhlobo linjani likaBendi. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.